we just chatted about it in Focus today. I just saw my name. He also knows that I'm very much dedicated to the committees that I currently chair. And there's a lot of work involved in those two committees. Well, actually three on, pero the two major committees are Energy and Ways and Means. So, in that sense, hindi madaling bumuo sa mga ganyang bagong posisyon. And because my name was mentioned, it's my job to consider it, diba? 24 lang naman kami. And then 5 lang naman kaming abogado. So, gustuin ko man o hindi, it's my job to consider it if there is a need to chair the Committee on Blue Ribbon. Having said that, mabigat yung trabaho na yon. I already have 2 other committees. So, I will use this time na walang session to pray about it and to think about it kung ma-handle ko siya. Kasi kaya ko. Wala akong doubt na kaya ko. Wala akong doubt that I can do a good job. With all humility naman. But I really want the best position, the best person for the job to handle this kasi this is a defining moment for the Filipino people. So, importante talagang pag-isipan ng gusto kung paano i-handle ang Blue Ribbon.